Hello guys, welcome to Looker tutorial. Myself is Raji Prabha. In this video, we are going to discuss about Looker BI and versus Power BI. So before going to discuss about this topic, so if you want to learn Looker BI and if you want to get any help from me, please reach out to me on this number through the WhatsApp or over a phone call, so I can help you guys to learn or upgrade yourself to learn Looker BI. Okay, and so in this video, so we are going to discuss about the what is the differences between the Power BI and Looker BI. See, most of the BI developers are might be working on Power BI. The biggest headache that you can see the data limitation. So there will be a data limitation. If the data limit has reached 20 GB, even your dashboard will not work. The dashboards start failing. But that kind of problem is not available in Looker. So we can have unlimited of data. So without any limitation, we can query the GBs of data, TBs of data. And it's the major difference between the Looker BI and Power BI is data limitation. And the second major difference is Git integration. So there is no concept called Git in Power BI, but in Looker BI we have a Git integration. Most of the developers, .NET developers, Python developers, Java developers, they use the Git because in the daily activity they will use the Git to commit their changes. And see, on a single project multiple Java developers are working on that, to fix the or to develop new things without disturbing other code. Same kind of functionality is available in Looker BI as well. So multiple developers can simultaneously work on Git. In Looker they can save or commit their changes to Git, but this kind of functionality is not available in Looker BI. That is one of the major difference between the Looker BI and Power BI as well. Coming to modes, so you guys mostly seen import mode, direct mode, this kind of modes, but so there is no such import mode in Looker BI. In Power BI, right, what happens when you perform the import mode, all the data which is available in our data source like a SQL server will be imported to Power BI. It is a burden to our Power BI. That is the reason there is a data limitation of 20 GB, and it is very hard to maintain the huge amount of data in a cache memory. That is the reason if the data is beyond 20 GB, your dashboard will not work. And if you use direct mode, right, most of the functionality which was provided by the Microsoft team, though those will not support it, so that is the reason most of the developers they may use the import mode. But in Looker BA there is no such things. So when you ask for some information, so if the information is not available in the cache, there will be a cache in between the Looker BA and your data source. Okay, data will be not imported directly to the cache, but instead of that, when first time we request the data will be fetched from the data source. It might be BigQuery, Snowflake, SQL Server, etc., etc. Second time the request will not go to the data source. Instead of that, it will go to the cache. That's how the performance of Looker BI is very fast than compared to Power BI because of this mechanism. And see, there is no information will be stored in Looker BI. So every information will be stored in the data source. Okay. Next one is Looker BI supports lot of data sources or data warehouses. So as of now, there is a great integration with the BigQuery, Snowflake, etc. Means most of the developers or companies who are using the Looker BI, they use the BigQuery or Snowflake 90%. And not only these two, there are 52 plus or 60 plus, I believe, data sources will be supported by the Looker BI. So let me open this documentation. So there is a concept called Looker dialects, means the data sources. See, these many data sources will be supported by the Looker BA. So it will support the Amazon DB as well, Amazon Athena, Amazon PostgreSQL, and Apache Hive, Apache Spark, IBM DB2, and PostgreSQL, MySQL, Oracle, MongoDB, Snowflake, Teradata. So Teradata is one of the legacy data warehouse. Vector, Vertica, and even Microsoft Azure PostgreSQL, Microsoft Azure SQL database, even Microsoft SQL Server. So around 62 plus, I believe it should be 62 plus data sources that will be supported by the Looker BI as of now. And then compared to any other BI tool, the performance of Looker BI is faster than any other BI tool. Okay, there is no data limitation. That is the reason most of the companies are trying to adopt the Looker BI. So, so I mean, yeah, these are the major differences between the Power BI to Looker BI. So, okay, so that's all about this video. And as I said earlier, so if you want to learn Looker BI and if you want to upscale yourself in Looker BI, you just give me a call on this number, or else you can just WhatsApp me on this number, and I can help you guys to learn or to upgrade yourself in Looker BI. Thanks for watching. We'll meet in next video.